Hello Danny, it's me Bruce. Now if you will check for again these tires, these wheels are for Mobike, and the Mobike has very special tires like this. They are airless tires, and the rims are yellow. It's classic. Typical design for Mobikes. So these tires we received them from Mobike because they asked us to repair, to do some repair job for this, because China obviously is one of the big big customer for those running bikes. As we can see, so we have to repair these wheels. This is one of the jobs, and sometimes you will find the spokes are missing, something like this, and the rims are bended. So we're gonna make sure they are gonna be good for again. So this is a check it as well, please. This is for Mobike.